quick little update. Just printed out this little soap dish, which I thought looked pretty cool. So, you know, you can dry your soap after you're done using it. But that's not what I want to talk about. What's printing right now is an Apple TV remote. So it's like a handle for it, as you guys can see right over here. It's just one of the files that people share. So this is one that is already made, and this is what it would look like. So if I open it up, this is the whole entire design. What I wanted to do was put 3 holes into this because I have like these little magnets. I have these like little ass magnets everywhere, and what they do is they're gonna hold the remote into it. And I also took my logo, made it into an SVG file, so I could basically make an indentation and make a print logo on the actual product. So this is what it looks like right now, and that's what's actually printing right over there. If you guys can see that. But so that's what I've been doing. And right now, that blue one, or is it? So this Egyptian blue, I have some ideas on like what I want to print. But I want to ask you guys, I have 2 different files that I am thinking about printing. Which one? Is it this one or this one? Just vote. And yeah. All right, guys, we got the remote printed here. I want to show you guys this so you guys can see like the details on this. Hopefully that's coming through the camera just fine. And yeah, everything printed out really well. The brim got taken off really easily. So now all we need to do is go get some magnets, put them into these slots, and we'll see this completed. Let's go grab a hammer. Little tool to help us hit it down. And these are the little magnets, guys. 8 by 6 millimeter magnets. You guys can see it actually works just fine. And what we're gonna do is just put them right in. No. But for right now, I'm just gonna use a hot glue gun and put them in there. Just a little dab of glue. And it's in. All right, you guys can see all the magnets in there. Put it in there. And there we go. We have a magnetic handle Apple TV remote. Oh, it just fits. And yes, I did make another one. This one has a little bit of a white trim to it. Thought this one was really nice. Just put 2 colors together, and now they all just work. A little bit rough at the bottom, just gotta sand that out a little bit, but it feels a lot better than just holding the remote itself.